Let's talk about the latest launched Infinix smartphone GT20 Pro with Cyber Mocha design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch-hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 90.2% screen-to-body ratio. Approximately 388 ppi pixel density, 144 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel OIS wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera, and with 2 megapixel depth camera with quad LED flash. For selfies it has 32 megapixel wide angle front camera with dual LED flash, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 2K at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.1 GHz single-core Cortex-A78 plus 3 GHz tri-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset, paired with Mali G610MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, which is further expandables through micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75 by 8.2 mm, and the color options Mecha Blue, Mecha Silver, Mecha Orange colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS 3.5 mm, headphone jack, dual stereo speakers with sound by JBL, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Infinix GT20 Pro has been priced starts from 1,299 Malaysian ringgit, and around $272 and 75,999 Pakistani rupees, and 22,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Infinix GT20 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.